learn the deen. Well, I mean, like ilahay harf yaasha baraba. Alba mel misk oxinto. Isn't unkintir kamal sinko goyna sing well you wallahi I don't even wanna laugh korkesi di huro ilahay rasusha oxinye, okay? It's not this is okay, you're not only embarrassing your family you don't have to do that. Had Facebook lan la sinsa gali ala nahtintin nahtaba hawarking ate. That is like already hawar naht kan hoy had walidin ba wuji show melka for ayana male hadi la ayo birka jibaba yang male. You know why? Because adabe ewiti gibarta basang height balki hoy. Like what you gonna do? There's nothing that they're gonna do. There's nothing that you can irmoha hadoti la aye because of you. Irmoha hata di sharaf la hayena adi hun kalanga aye beri di fashion miskarep corona. Why? Because ada basanga height wariya ada severshi arakti. This is social media. Nanti severshi telephone sever ka telephone laka save kare. Tomorrow he'll come ay karton. Your family can back up themselves. Because kangala ko horshenoy. Come on, my sinkadi. Like what happened? Maraka sin shang chicken to your daughter the I mean it's the same thing. Chicken to your orange juice, your apple ka sinka bala, you know, wakti isin bahi ka nimidaita na malarogo. O fufu rating is in Africa rogan fufu rating oxinte. Yeah. Calling into Africa listening to lessons so good away. I mean that isn't not only that, like come on. Listen harash away, calling in listen harash away. Because doma de goitang. Like come on. Please sintuga. Ilahay ka afsi ilahay sindiyo eh. Musul iskasi hiro sabar usot ilahay ki arago eh. Minang ka jeta sabar usot ilahay kalite alam ki aragoito. Okay, that's true. How come ki arago? Nobody is seeing you. Bara bigi subhanahu wa ta'ala yu usuki umidi ki arago wali niyata ki jeta wali qalbiya ki jeta wala hata ka fikiroito uksinye. Please do not take this the wrong way, and I could care less if you take it the wrong way. Like I so this is an advice.